You got your single wides, your double wides. Are those manufactured homes? And secondly, why was it so difficult to get a refi on a manufactured home? And is that different? Because I assume we have lots of listeners across the country who may live in what are considered manufactured homes and maybe trouble in the past trying to get a loan.
I've been doing this since 2005, like January 15th or 16th was my first day in the business. There's never been an increase of manufactured homes greater than there is this month. Let's say November, okay? I can't count December, it's only a few days. But for November, there was never a greater month of manufactured homes. The pull-through ratio was through the roof. Companies choose not to do it. There's more work. The truth is, there's more work for the lender, not really the customer. There's just so many extra steps we have to do that banks choose to try to cherry pick single family, condo, townhome, under 4 units. Those are so easy. But the manufactured, it's hard to find a great lender, and Network Capital dominates this, especially now that we're able to do cash out. For years, it was either term reduction, term extension, PMI removal, but we're finally able to do cash out on these homes. Now here's the catch. You have to own the land. It needs to be permanent foundation. So as long as you own the land and a permanent foundation, this is an incredible idea. I want you guys to call in. There's a lot of benefits. Okay, the rates aren't going to be as low as a single family home. They're darn close. They're right in the wheelhouse. There's still a lot of savings, but these people have the same amount of debts as others. They have higher interest rates than the regular people listening. So this is a great market. This is a great thing for us to tap into. I told Teresa I've done a lousy job over the last couple of years of letting you guys in a manufactured home know that we can help. There's resources. There's ways to maximize savings. I mean, look at that deal. They saved $13.96 a month. In this year, they're going to save $16,752. They're going to get a month off the mortgage and escrow refund to pay down additional debts, driving the credit scores higher. That way, when we do this loan in 7 months, because it's a VA loan, we're going to streamline them for free. No appraisal, no proof of income, quick, easy, in and out the door, even more benefit than you just heard. So if you know people that have a manufactured home, let them know. Don't keep your head chin up. We have a resource for you. They're called Network Capital. For you guys, they're still doing no lender fees. They're still giving you access to low rates. Now is the time. Here's their number. 855 on radio.
Network Capital is a direct lender. What does that mean to our listeners? Is that the reason they can get things done, for example, with manufactured homes?
Oh, 100%. They're the decision makers. Like, you're going right to the gentleman. Like, okay, there's a couple examples. I like the Lakers. Okay, so if I wanted my best discount on Laker gear, it's not going to Foot Locker or the team store or Foot Act. It's calling the Bus family directly. Direct lender of Lakers gear would be the Bus family, okay? So for mortgages, the direct lender is Network Capital. It's their money. They're a private institution. I love the fact that they get to make their own decisions, have easier guidelines for the masses. And then same thing, like if I want my best deal on a Tesla, like going to the Tesla, it's not going to be the idea. If I knew Elon on the side, like let's say we were boys and I had that kind of good connect, I would go straight to Elon. Wouldn't you guys agree? I'm going to get the better deal on my Tesla. Direct lending is the way to go. Like, we've been telling you guys this for over 400 episodes, but every month you start to notice more and more families are not going to their local bank, they're going to the place that has the best deal for them. And they usually 855 on radio. 855 on radio.
All right, we have to address this because everyone's thinking about it. What about the paperwork, Catherine?
I mean, I'm not a big paperwork guy either. Like, you'll never catch me on here bragging and sound about the loads of paperwork. Okay, that's not my thing. I can't stand it. I like less is more strategy for the customer. It's okay. We have so many employees. We'll pick up the paperwork. We'll pick up the heavy lifting. We'll do all the running. I just want to see you guys shred the weight. It's going to look great. So what we did is we made a process that allows for efficiency. Build a process that allows the technology to take over. So there's so many. One of these days I'm going to come on here and I'm going to give you guys the top 30 companies out there that we refinance that you don't even need to send us the pay stubs initially. I'll click a button. I'll have it in seconds. I'll know the day you started to work. I'll have it signed off. It'll be a verification of employment. Done deal. Just give me mortgage, bill, insurance. That easy. So that's coming. I'll bring that for you guys. guys, I make a promise to you. There's so many ways to make it easier for the customer. The less paperwork is because they're a direct lender. If you guys like little work, lots of savings, and future savings as well, I think I got a great idea for you. Call in. Let's find out which one of the plethora of programs is going to perform the best for you. The number 55 on radio.
How much are people saving on average?
This is nuts. $762 a month, Teresa. Let's say it's a year. Okay, let's say we don't get the rates you guys like for a year. It's okay. You saved $9,144 in that time frame. Enjoyed your month off the payments, maybe two if you got extra lucky. You got sounds like you're swimming in cash, swimming in savings, and really having a bright smile on your face. So, guys, there's so many ways. Like, I love the opportunity we have. A lot of low credit people can dominate. The 800 credit guys, you probably already got a low rate. You probably didn't rack up too much debt. You're probably chilling. You're probably good. Call in at this number, 855 on radio.
When we come back, home improvement loans, which is best for you?
You're listening to Teresa Strasser and Sean Metter on the Mortgage Radio Show. The show informs you on the variety of mortgage products offered, along with the newest mortgage laws and guidelines. This is the show that alerts you with up-to-the-minute interest rates and helps you make the right mortgage decisions. Call 855 on radio for more information and details.
Welcome back. You're listening to the Mortgage Radio Show. I'm Teresa Strasser, back with Metter. You promised to tell us about your neighbor. Apparently, your neighbor is renting a home, and perhaps he should have purchased said home.
Oh, 100%. So keep in mind, his rent originally started at $2,350. Now it's up to $4,000. I'm going to do this math as if the rent never changed, because I want to use even lower numbers. You're going to get the point. Like, you're going to easily go, I need to be a homeowner. So if anyone's renting, this is the segment for you to finally get off the post and become a homeowner. So after you hear the goods, call 855 on radio. We'll get you guys the pre-approval letters. But let me move over to John across the street. So John has made 168 payments. His rent $2,350 when he moved in. Again, it's $4,000 now, but let's just say hypothetically it's $2,350 the entire time. John has spent $394,800. This home's paid off. Okay, so the people that own the home have collected $394,800 from John. Okay, at the time John moved in, the home was worth $420. Now $2 million. Okay, that's $700. House has gone up. It's paid off. So you mean to tell me I can get $394,000 paid to me in rents, and my house value has gone up $780,000 in that time frame? That's big math. That's what an incredible investment that homeowner made, and congratulations for John for sticking it out so long as a renter. But it would have been smarter for him to buy that home. The payment would have probably still been close to $2,350, maybe slightly more because now you're paying tax and insurance. But he would have paid down this balance from the $420, probably around $200-some thousand. And now the home's worth $1.2. I'd rather be owing half of the amount I started, huge equity position, tons of money in my pocket, and I'm getting tax breaks. I choose to own property. That's why I want you guys that are renting, call in. Let's kickstart the party. Let's get you into these properties. It's an incredible time. Doing open houses on the East Coast. The weather's terrible. You guys aren't seeing a ton of houses sell. It's an easy time to get that house you always wanted. East Coast. West Coast, if the weather's perfect, you guys can do this year round, but I'm talking mostly New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvanians. Call my guys at this number, 855 on radio.
So if someone wants a pre-approval letter that they can take around to homes, number to call?
Oh, absolutely. Like, we have a same as cash idea. We have so many ways to make your offer look. My trick, my strategy, getting you in the home faster. Time is of the essence. Like, if you have two people with identical scenarios, but I can get you in the home and have the homeowner have cash faster, they're going to choose your deal over the latter. So I want to trim down the close of escrow dates. I don't want to do a 45, 60 day. I want 30 days maximum. I'd love to do a 20-some day close here. That way you guys can get into this property. You can already have it before the New Year's. You're not even making your next payment until February. We're talking red hearts at that time frame. Ideas, a lot of ways to help you guys, whether it's refi, purchase, fixing your energy expenses that you guys are sick of paying a rate that you can't control. I have so much